Hi, this is Josh from DigiQuatics, and this is the Getting Started video for admins. So when you first go to digiquatics.com, you're going to click Sign in the upper right hand corner. And then you're going to enter your email and your default password that we provided to you in the welcome email when you signed up for DigiQuatics. So when you first sign in, you're going to see the admin dashboard. And this is a quick at-a-glance view for everything that's going on in your pool facility. So right now we can see we have some admin sub requests, some time off requests, some maintenance issues, and some shift reports that have been submitted today, and also some private lesson requests that are waiting for an instructor. So we can quickly see all the things that need to be taken care of here, and we can also click these quick links to be able to open up new chemicals, shift reports, maintenance, or slide inspections that you do on a regular basis. So first, let's go ahead and configure the settings for your account. So when you go to the gear icon in the upper right hand corner, we'll go to the account preferences page. Under manage account, you can change the name of your account. You can upload your facility's or organization's logo. You can select the time zone that you're in, and you can also change the start day of week for scheduling purposes. Under Manage Availabilities, you can lock or unlock availabilities for your staff to be able to go in and enter when they're available. Under Manage Certifications, you can go in and completely customize all of your certification names. So whatever organization or provider you use for your certifications can be entered here. Under the Manage Chemical Records section, you'll see all of the locations and pools that you've configured under Manage Locations, Pools, and Slides. You can set points for low or high conditions for anything in your pool to get alerts based on these conditions according to the Mind Notification Settings page, which we covered in the previous Getting Started video. To edit your locations, pools, and slides, just click on this section, and then you can go in and edit the name and the pools and the types of slides that you have for each of those. Next, we have Manage Positions for the scheduling feature. You can customize all of your position names for your employees, put in up to a 3-character abbreviation to make the schedule smaller, and you can customize any color for the scheduling feature so you can easily distinguish between the positions. Under Manage Private Lessons, you can completely customize all of the skill levels and packages that your private lesson participants can request via the portal. You can also customize any notes so that patrons can see any notes that are custom to your facility on the page when they go to the portal. To access the private lessons portal for DigiQuatics, just click on this link here. It's custom to your organization and you can post it on your website so patrons can go in and request private lessons for your organization specifically. Last but not least, if you ever need to export any of your data, feel free to click here and you can download a CSV that can be opened in Microsoft Excel for any of these data points here. Next, we'll go ahead and move on to the scheduling feature. So if you go under Scheduling and click Schedule, here is where you're going to build the schedule for all of your employees at your various facilities. You can select the facility you're scheduling at by using the location filter, and you can also filter by different position types for your employees. Here we've already customized all of our positions and our colors, so you can see for each shift, these are the positions that each person is working and the times for those days. You can navigate to different weeks by clicking forward or backward, or going 1 month at a time with the double arrows. At any time you can hit today to go back to right now, or you can use the calendar to go to a specific week. All of the scheduling features are also available in a shift-based view rather than an employee-based view that you can see here. To change views, just go to Layout and go to Shift Build. Here you can see all of the shifts starting from the beginning to the end of the day and do the same things that you can in the employee view. To print your schedule, simply click Print and you can generate a PDF. And now let's talk about sub requests. So if an employee needs a sub for one of their shifts, you can request it for them or they can request it from their portal. Now that I have a sub requested for this shift, I'm going to go ahead and go to the sub request queue, and you can see we have a few that need to be taken care of here. The one that I just submitted is for today, 12/5/15 from 5 to 10 a.m. So all of your staff can go into the queue and accept this shift if they're willing to pick it up. Once you go through the manager approval process, the schedule will automatically update. Another feature we have is time off requests so that your employees can take time off when they need it. To view their time off requests, just click time off requests, and you can edit or you can approve or deny these requests as they come in. These will be added to the schedule feature so you can schedule accordingly. Next, we have the chemicals feature. Here you're going to see an ongoing queue of all of the chemical records that your staff has submitted for each of your pools. As a supervisor, you can go in and look at any of your pools at any time. Next, we have shift reports. All of your staff can submit a quick shift report at the end of their shift to tell you what's going on and provide good communication within your facility. If they uploaded a report, you'll see it here as well. Next, we have our employees management feature. Here you can see all of the contact information on all of your employees' profiles, and you can also send a quick message to all of them when you need to notify them of an upcoming event. In order to make sure your staff always stays current, we've got a certifications feature that will quickly show you all of your staff and when they expire and color code them based on if they're expired already or if they're coming up for renewal soon. Next, we have the maintenance feature, where you can see all of the open issues that are currently at your facility. Your employees can submit a quick description and also upload a photo of the issue if necessary. We also have slide inspections, so you can keep track of all of the maintenance on your water slides that fall under the water park guidelines and require daily inspection. The last feature we have is private lessons. Let's go to the private lessons queue. So when your patrons go to the unique link that we've provided for you under the account preferences, all of those requests are going to go to this queue. And they're color coded by when they were submitted so that hopefully you can get the newest ones out as quick as possible and get instructors teaching those students. To view more information, just click the open button so you can see all of the information about this participant and get the contact information for their parent. As an administrator, you're also able to see all of the private lessons that are being taught at any time, who the instructors and who the students are by going to the private lessons management page. Afterward, they go into the completed page so you have a historical record of all the private lessons that have been taught at your facility. That's all for now. If you have any questions, feel free to click the pink question mark in the lower right-hand corner and start a conversation with us at any time. We're always here to support and give you any training that you might need in order to effectively use DigiQuatics.